How you can freeze sections of the sheet so that it's always visible. For example, this is a fake communications log. It would be kind of difficult when I'm sitting in here. If I want to put information in this cell, I'm going to have to keep scrolling back to see, okay, which student is it? So it's really nice. Once you've got your spreadsheet set up, all you want to do is put your cursor within the first box that you don't want frozen. So I want all of the students' names frozen. I want to always be able to see those. And then the top row, I want to be able to always see that as well. You're going to come in here to View. You're going to go to Freeze Panes, and all you're going to do is you're going to say Freeze Panes. Now, you could do top row, you could do first column, but if you do that, you only can pick one. If you want to be able to go down and across, we want Freeze Panes. If you notice, there's now these extra thicker lines here. This is so that when I come across, I still see, okay, student 1, I'm on communication here. Or if I want to come down, okay, student 11, I've had to communicate with this child's parents for so many times. If you want to make changes, all you do, you go back up to freeze frame and you unfreeze. Just to show you what I mean about if you just freeze the top row, okay, you got that top row, but it's only that first one. Same thing if you freeze the first column, it only does that, but you can't get both. So in order to get both, remember you want to put yourself in the first text box that is going to be movable, and then you say unfreeze panes for the moment, and we're going to just click freeze panes, and now we can rotate, we can move left or right. So remember, View, Freeze Panes, and we're going to choose that freeze option.